Let's go to the park. That's not fair. We have to load the camera first and then you guys can be cutie so I can take photos of you.
Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Viva la Film. My name is Jess and today we're here because I put this post on Instagram yesterday letting you guys know that I was going to be trying this camera and getting you guys to help me choose what film I was going to use. You guys chose Superior Extra 800 and that's what we're going to be using today. Come with me. Here we go. Saying. Show me again, one more time. What's Obie saying? What's Obie saying? I did it. So we did end up shooting the whole roll yesterday and I have to say guys, after seeing the pictures I'm pretty impressed. This camera is up there with the Nikon L35 AF. The lens is pretty sharp and it's also up there with like the Canon ML. Obviously it doesn't have a 1.9 lens on it, but it has a hexagon 3.5 35mm and it's just really sharp. It's really good and it actually achieved focus in most of the photos, actually almost all the photos. I think there was one photo that was out of focus and I think it was my fault, not really the camera's fault. I was just pinpointing the wrong spot. Overall I really like the camera. Stella had a little go at it with one of the pictures and she did say that she felt that the camera sounded a little bit clunky and maybe it was winding the film a little bit slow. She wanted a bit more action out of it. I feel that this camera is really tactile. I love the sliding front. It's a little bit like it's a little bit like Olympus MJU or Stylus Epic. And I also love the fact that the flash pops up, and when you don't want to use the flash, you can just pop it back down. Overall, a really good camera. It has a focus indicator here, so you have push, set the focus, and then shoot, which makes it really easy, and it saves you the film. It's just to know that what you're shooting at is in focus. It saves you the film. You're not going to be getting blurry images. Overall, very simple, very nice, very light, very compact. I will recommend it. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe. Until then, grab a camera, go to roll, and have some fun. And I'll see you guys next time.